Alright, we're currently in shorts right now on GU, but I forgot to start recording, so here's my buy. So we're on the daily chart right now, and we just took out the previous daily high right there. If we go on to the 4 hour, if the shit wants to load. Alright, sweet. If we go on to the 4 hour, we can see that recently we've been taking out a lot of buy side liquidity, like right there, as well as we are inside of the 62 range of this optimal trading entry. So I want to start to look for a reversal right now. If we go into the 1 hour now, we can see we took out the previous daily high right here, and then we also took out this level of buy side liquidity right here. But to be honest, we did have a 1 hour break to the upside right here, so it's not great. And my target for today is going to be this 1 hour fair value gap down here. We now go into the 15-minute time frame, and you can clearly see that we broke structure right here. Yeah, we're looking to target this draw on liquidity right here, which go on to the 5-minute. This is where I look for my entries. I thought, okay, this is now a breaker block right here, breaker block right here, and we also have a 5-minute fair value gap right here that we got a fake out on. And so you can clearly see we close above it on this candle, then we closed below it, and then we just retested it. So then I scaled down into the 1 minute, because I was just like, bro, I didn't even know if I wanted to enter, because obviously the 1 hour is breaking structure bullish and the 4 hour is bullish as well, and there's a super high time frame. So I'm just trying to look for the most precise entry possible. Then I see this 1 minute fair value gap right here, which lines up our break block, and I entered somewhere around here. Stops at this high, take profit at the fair value gap. There are a few things against me though for this trade. So the high time frame, we're not following the trend. The 1 hour and 4 hours saying bullish. The second thing is, if you guys watch ICT, I don't even watch ICT, but I heard about this concept. It's known that if price takes out the 6 p.m. low or high, this is going to be the low of the day, and price is going to continue high. And then if we look at quarterly theory, I don't think we have anything. Yeah, quarterly theory is not lining up. We don't have internal sweep of this high, and the trend is kind of bullish. But I don't know, I just like this setup. I found that recently that breaker blocks and fair value gaps work nicely, especially if they're taking out like a high time frame draw on liquidity. And we look like we're decently up right now, currently up 118. And yeah, this is my first TP, by the way. That's that. So we'll just see how this plays out. Oh, we hit it. I'm closing. I'll close half. Sweet. Stops to break even. Alright, sweet. This is a risk-free trade now. My next TP is going to be at this equilibrium on the 1 hour, which is 1260.55. I don't know if you guys can see this or not, but my MetaTrader, I've drawn up a GAN box from the 1 hour, and it says it's already hit it. So if we can get a retest on that, I'll try take a TP there. If we can close below this red line right here, giving us a 1 hour break, then I think it's going to go super far down. But if it doesn't, I don't really see it rallying any. If it doesn't break structure, then I don't see it rallying bearish any longer. But let's just see how it plays out. No 1 hour break to the downside, unfortunately. I think we're going to get stopped out at break even. But aside, we've got a mean fill on our TP. we got stopped out at break even. So just to go over what we had for today once again really quickly. So on the higher time frame, we're inside of an optimal trading entry, and if we scroll into the smaller time frames, that was basically all we had. We didn't really have much of a higher time frame bias, except for the fact that we were targeting that 1 hour fair value gap. But we had draws on liquidity being taken here and taken here, and then after that happened, I waited to see a 15-minute break right here. Scroll down into the 5-minute. We have this 5-minute fair value gap fake out, and then we also have a breaker block right here. So I looked for an entry on the retest inside of this 1 minute fair value gap. Press sell, stops at this high. First take profit was at the start of the 1 hour fair value gap right here, which also lined up with this draw on liquidity. Got a good fill, so I think I got like a 2 risk to reward. We just got stopped at a break even, so not a bad day. And yeah, that's it from me today, guys, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. Alright boys, I'm just doing a quick recap on the market structure and why I took this trade. So obviously, first things first, we were inside of this big swing high to swing low, and we tapped into the 62 mark, so that was like, okay, cool, I want to look for shorts from here. And if we zoom in, we took out levels of buy side. I think this was a previous daily high right here. Then we took out another level of buy side. But the thing is, with this trade, we didn't actually displace past this low, so it wasn't really like a silver bullet setup. Instead, we created a low right here, we created a high. We then broke past this low, giving us a 15-minute break, and then this turned into a breaker block with a fair value gap. I remember pressing sell here and targeting this draw on liquidity plus the big 1 hour fair value gap, which in my opinion is a good target because of liquidity plus fair value gap. The market's obviously going to want to go there, and the fact that we're taking out previous levels of buy side liquidity, displacing, holding fair value gaps and breaker blocks, and inside of a big high time frame optimal trading entry. That's why I wanted to look to short. But obviously, I probably shouldn't have taken this trade because the big time frames like the 1 hour and the 4 hour were breaking bullish. So obviously that definitely played into effect of the probabilities and how likely it was to go bearish. But yeah, we're very lucky to see this trade play out and hit our take profit. Next time, I don't think I should trade at all if I don't have a high time frame bias. But yeah, that's a quick recap for the beginners. Hopefully, let me know if you guys found this actually useful or if I'm just fucking yapping. But yeah.
If you guys like this video or learned something new, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. It really helps the YouTube algorithm and puts this video out to more people. And if you guys got any comments, make sure to leave them down in the comments down below. I'll see you guys later.